Hey, it's Baxter Scruggs, Guild Mortgage Company. I wanted to give you a quick update on two things, interest rates and on home prices. So on interest rates, it's been the worst kept secret. There's been upward pressure on rates. I kind of use the analogy of going upstairs. Rates tend to go up, then go sideways, go up, go sideways. So they went up at the end of the year into the beginning of the year. They've been sideways for about 2 months, and now it seems like they're going up again. The line in the sand, they used to say on the 10-year note, was 3%. And it's been, the 10-year note has been below 3% for years and years, and finally today it hit 3%, and the thought was if it goes beyond 3%, then you can start seeing some momentum of interest rates going up. So 3% on the T-bill. In the mortgage market, what you're seeing is rates have kind of been in the mid-4s to maybe the high 4s, and now you're seeing that next ratchet up to where it's kind of the high 4s to the 5% range or low 5s. So interest rates are obviously determined by a number of factors: credit scores, down payment, loan program, property type, things like that. But you're seeing some quotes with all those factors as high as 5.5% right now, which obviously we haven't seen in a long time. But again, the bottom of the market tends to be the high 4s now, where before it was, let's say, the mid 4s. So rates are having some upward pressure, and it looks like, again, the 10-year note hitting 3% is kind of a place we haven't been in years and years, so we'll see how that plays out. But last week or so, there's definitely been upward pressure on rates. As far as the Case-Shiller index that came out yesterday on home prices, nationwide home prices were up 6% from a year ago this time. Another interesting statistic was the median home price in 2000 nationwide was $119,600. Yesterday it came out was $250,000. So in 18 years, home prices doubled, or more than doubled, and in between that 18 years, or built into that, was the worst housing market on record, where prices dropped, precipitously. So it tells us what we already know, which is home ownership over time usually bears out, and it's a good thing to have versus renting. So when is a good time to buy? I always say when you can afford to buy, when it's in your budget, and you're going to be in the house for the foreseeable future, it's a good time to buy. People trying to time the market, it's kind of a tricky thing. You can never predict when the market turns, how much it turns, but we do know, factually today, that the cost of housing, i.e. interest rates, are going up, and that's reality. When the market turns or how much it turns is conjecture. So if you can afford a place, if you're looking for a place and it meets your budget, I think that's a good enough time to say it's time to buy. If you have any questions on interest rates, or any questions on market movements or any information here, feel free to give us a call. If you need information on qualifying for a home loan or refinancing or anything like that, call us too. My number is 760-497-7705, and thanks for being an important part of our business.